Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number and recover email. Also, this is a brand new method, so watch this video till the end before moving further. Like this video and share and subscribe for more videos like this. So you come to your Google, then you can see that sign in, as you can see by the right hand side, that I've already signed in with my Gmail account that I want to use. Then you come to the search bar and you type in Gmail generator. Type in Gmail generator. So sorry for the screen. This is exactly the one that you are going to use. Don't forget this one. Click on email generator, free alternative email address idea. Then click on it. As you can see, when you click on it, you click on sign in. As you can see, I already signed in with my email that I want to use. Then when you sign in, you come to another page. From here, you now delete this and you type in your email address that you used to sign in. Then you click generate. As you can see, the email generator has generated 2048 email that you can copy and save to your Google Doc. Remember that all this email that you are copying, all this email that is in your primary email, that any code is going to be. So let's come down here. Let's copy this one. Let's go back to our another page. Let's use it for testing. So when you are here, you click on here and you paste the email that you copied. Then you type. For here, you can use suggest email. Then you click on sign up on your Facebook. So this is to test the email that we have generated, whether it's working. So as you can see, they have sent a code. With this email. So what you have to do is just to come to your Gmail. So you click here, then you click on your Gmail account. When you click on your Gmail is opening. As you can see, this is the code, FB code. This is the code they have. Just let's click on it. One more step to sign up. So this is the code they have sent for the email. Remember that all the email that you generated here, all this email that you generated here, all these 2048 email that you have generated, that is going to be, all of them is going to be where on your primary account of Gmail that you use to log in. So when you copy this thing now, and you come back to Facebook and paste it, and you click on continue. You click on continue. You see account confirm. You have successfully confirmed your account with the email so.com. You will use this email address to log in. As you can see, we have already successfully created accounts with this email. So if this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As you can see, as automatically logged in. So understand? You can see you can automatically logged in, so you can use it to use it on all your multiple social media handle at any other thing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like.